the Florida sports and education community is reeling from the shocking news that David Kellier, a former standout athlete and current coach and substitute teacher, has been arrested on a felony charge related to child abuse. Kellier, who is widely respected for his athletic accomplishments and educational ambitions, now finds himself at the center of a serious criminal investigation. The developments have stirred deep concern among those who knew him as a rising figure in both athletic and academic spheres. From athletic promise to public scrutiny, David Kellier's roots in athletics run deep. He began his journey at Park Vista High School, excelling in both football and track and field. His athletic promise earned him a place on the inaugural football team at St. Thomas University, where he played key roles during the 2019 and 2020 seasons. Kellier's performance on the field reflected discipline, leadership, and commitment, qualities that won him admiration among teammates and coaches alike. Simultaneously, he competed as part of the university's 2020 320 track and field team, further broadening his athletic resume. Kellier's dual commitment to sports highlighted a rare versatility, making his transition into coaching a natural progression. As a coach, he was seen as a mentor and role model, an individual shaping young athletes both on and off the field. Academic aspirations and professional goals beyond athletics, Kellier was also deeply invested in academics. He earned a bachelor's degree in sports administration from St. Thomas University, showing an interest in the strategic and organizational facets of the athletic world. This academic pursuit positioned him for a future in sports management or education administration, a path he actively pursued by enrolling in an MBA program at Florida International University, with a targeted graduation in 2026. Kellier's ambition to blend athletic experience with academic knowledge was a rare and commendable trait. His enrollment in the MBA program not only signaled a desire for personal growth, but also a broader commitment to fostering professionalism in the sports industry. At the time of his arrest, Kellier was working at Dr. John Garcia High School in Lake Worth, Florida, where he had been employed since August 2023. Arrest and legal allegations. On April 22, 2025, Kellier was arrested under Florida statute 827.032c, which pertains to felony charges of cruelty to a child without causing great bodily harm. This particular statute addresses situations where a child has suffered abuse that may not leave visible injuries, but is nonetheless considered harmful and punishable under law. While the specific circumstances leading to the charge have not been publicly disclosed, the charge alone carries grave implications. Legal experts note that this form of felony charge can result in significant penalties if proven in court. However, as with all cases in the U.S. justice system, Kellier remains presumed innocent until proven guilty. The presumption of innocence remains a cornerstone of legal fairness, allowing the accused a full and fair opportunity to defend against the charges. Ripple effects across the community, the fallout from Kellier's arrest has been swift and emotional. At Dr. John Garcia High School, where he served as both a coach and substitute teacher, the news has caused shock and confusion among students, faculty, and parents. Many of his students viewed him as a guiding figure, and the allegations now cast a shadow over those relationships and memories. The sudden shift in public perception has been difficult for the school community, as they try to reconcile the positive influence Kellier once had with the severity of the accusations against him. Beyond the school, former teammates and university colleagues have also expressed disbelief. Kellier's reputation as a hardworking, focused, and disciplined individual made this arrest especially difficult to comprehend. The incident has sparked broader conversations about safety, trust, and the responsibilities of educators and coaches who work closely with children. Silence and uncertainty. As of now, no official statements have been released by Kellier, his legal representatives, or his family. This silence, though not unusual in legal cases of this nature, adds to the uncertainty and unease felt by those who knew him. The lack of clarity has also fueled speculation, which authorities are urging the public to avoid until facts are confirmed through official legal proceedings. The case is still under investigation, and the legal process is expected to unfold over the coming weeks and months. Law enforcement agencies have assured the public that further information will be released at the appropriate time, and they continue to urge anyone with knowledge relevant to the case to come forward. A developing story with wide-ranging implications, David Kellier's arrest has sparked intense public interest not only due to the nature of the charges, but also because of his previous standing in the community. It is a situation layered with emotional, legal, and social complexities. For now, the story remains in development, and much remains unknown. What is certain, however, is that the outcome of this case will leave a lasting mark on all involved, from the local school system and sports community to those who once admired Kellier's dedication to personal and professional growth. As the investigation moves forward and the case heads toward judicial scrutiny, the public will be watching closely. The hope is that justice will be served, whether that means exoneration or accountability. Until then, the Florida community waits, grappling with a story that continues to unfold with each passing day.